Oh yeah. What? Special sauce? Yeah. Barbecue. Dijon. Chick-Fil-A special sauce. I don't know. They're all good. Go crazy. In this video, you'll see how I made these. It's not that hard. There's just a few ingredients. I think I say that every video, but that's the point. If I can do these things with the ingredients I have, you can too. You just gotta take a couple minutes out of your life to do it, to make it good. Josh Weissman is a YouTuber who, these are his recipes. I'm just using them for my video, so I don't want to take credit. I want to showcase this amazing simulation of the Chick-fil-A sauces. So Josh, thanks man. But we're gonna make Chick-fil-A in another video, and you'll see in that video we'll use these sauces on the Chick-fil-A. I'm calling it Chick-fil-A at home, since you can essentially make a Chick-fil-A burger at home. Chick-fil-A sandwich at home. I don't think they like calling it a burger. You can do this. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
From dawn to dusk, I wait for the reason I live. To find the stars I attest, I'd relive each moment that I read away. And at the end, I sit alone at Spiral's edge. No time to wait for me, nothing to hedge. Each moment left my thoughts.
To make this awesome rendition of the Chick-fil-A sauce, barbecue sauce, we're going to take a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and add it to the bowl as such. Then take 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and sprinkle it nice and dramatically like this for effect, because it's pretty. And then add a heaping 1/2 cup of ketchup. And that's because the ketchup sticks a little bit to the cup, so put a little extra. Then from there we'll add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, followed by 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Make sure you have enough. I just barely have enough. And finally, add 1/2 cup of cider vinegar, and be sure to whisker a doo-doo whiskey doo-doo. Yeah, it's just a doo-doo. Whiskey, whisker it up, and pour it into a vehicle for heating it up. Turn your stove on to a medium-high heat, and then stir it up with something like a spatula. After about 5 minutes, you'll have a nice barbecue sauce. That's good. Let's take 5 tablespoons of our barbecue sauce and put it into a bowl. Follow that with 5 tablespoons of mayo. I prefer Hellmann's, but you can use a Japanese mayo. Doesn't really matter. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Don't do the grainy, do the regular. Follow that by 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and then a tablespoon of soy sauce. We're gonna take a clove of garlic and grate it. And as you can see, it sort of gets stuck on the grater, so you just take your finger and push it off, smoosh it into the bowl, and it's gonna be fine. Now take a whisk everything together, and you'll get something that looks like this nice kind of golden yellow concoction. To me, it looks like perfection. It looks like liquid gold. Next, I'll show you how to make a quick Dijon or honey Dijon sauce, which is kind of what my family likes best anyways, but it's the easiest of the bunch. Let's do it. All right, the honey Dijon's pretty easy. We're going to add about a tablespoon of yellow mustard, followed by a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're gonna add honey, about a tablespoon, maybe 2 if you like it a little sweeter, a dash of pepper, a dash of salt, a dash of smoked paprika. You can also add a little bit of apple cider vinegar into this and garlic powder if you'd like, and it'll add a little extra tang and flavor. Now you go back. Done.